Aston Martin has turned into the most recent carmaker to be gotten up to speed in a noteworthy review of defective Daimler guiding segments that can cause unintended airbag arrangements. The British games auto producer is reviewing every one of the 3,873 DB11 roadsters worked since late 2015, when creation of the leader show started, Aston Martin representative Kevin Waters affirmed. He said repairs would be completed to address an issue with the DB11 directing segment upper. Daimler a year ago reviewed more than 1 million Mercedes-Benz autos fitted with directing segment parts additionally provided to Aston and Nissan. The Japanese carmaker's Infiniti image reviewed 17,500 influenced vehicles. The issue is random to a worldwide review of broken Takata airbag inflators that have been rebuked for 20 passings. Deficient establishing in the Daimler units leaves their hardware helpless against electrostatic charges that can trigger unintended airbag organizations, as indicated by prior notices. Mercedes revealed a modest bunch of occasions where drivers endured minor scrape spots or wounds because of the issue. No Aston Martin clients have announced any such occurrences to date, the organization stated, including the vital repair work would be done for nothing out of pocket in under 2 hours.